Welcome to FeeBellyD, your costly details and fine print detective. With FeeBellyD, you can easily scan documents for important clauses and fees hidden in the fine print, which may cause you to pay more than you should. To get started using FeeBellyD, log in with your browser and click Create New Document on the left side of the homepage. Select your document type from the drop-down list. You can process web URL PDF links and plain text by making the appropriate selection and copying and pasting. Name your document and send it to a folder or create a new one. Then select a language. Enter custom keywords or key phrases to search for, or choose from a list of presets. Then upload the document from your computer and click Submit. FeeBellyD combs through your document and picks out your keywords. When it's done, all your pages are displayed in list form. Tap the eye icon next to a page to view every keyword that appears on it. Highlight important keywords by checking the box, or view it in context by clicking on it. Instantly jump to the next or previous keywords with the buttons at the top, or search for a new keyword. Select a document and click Email Documents to share it. You can even choose to highlight every keyword in your document before sending it out. Register with FeeBellyD. Never again worry about missing costly details hidden in the fine print and save more of your money.